it's pretty cool. I mean, hi guys, what's up? Johan from Helschenhof, Germany, and we are about to build from a normal scooter. We're gonna build an e-scooter with this kit here. Gonna show you what will become in this kit. There is this motor, 250 watt, and got this crown here. I don't know if you can see. Afterwards we got a controller, and we got the handle for acceleration with the key. Yeah, and there is also a kind of display here. Alright, then there is a battery and the recharger. I got a 4A amperes battery, 25 volt, 24, 25. Got some here connections that come with the motor. And very important, what you're gonna need is this crown here, okay? We're gonna put the link on the description where you're gonna get all of this this kit here. And this crown here is very important. That's where you're gonna connect the back wheel with the chain, right? So actually it's very simple. What you're gonna do is we're gonna put the motor here, actually fix the motor here and get connected with the chain, and that's it. So let's go guys, let's build it. So guys, that's the wheel, and we're gonna adapt this chain crown here over here, right? We'll put the link on the description so you can get one, and then we're gonna fix it here, right? Then we can put a bearing very easily and close it up so that it just gonna turn to one side. Okay, here turns to this side. Now I'm gonna show you the whole connection from the connector. So let's check it here. Here, as you know, that's the controller, alright? So the controller, you can control everything like brake, for example. We got the brake light, we got the power locks, the motor, the charging port, and yeah, that's it. And the indicator, yeah. Hey, what's up guys? We just got the motor fixed here, as you can see. I sewed it, and now we're gonna just fix the controller down here. Okay, gonna fix this down here, and the battery. I think we're gonna put it here probably. We are like studying it, but I think it's here. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it here, and then we have it. Yeah, here we are guys. We got finally our project done. That was a scooter, and we transformed it in an e-scooter. So as you can see here, we welded the motor here. We got here an extra crown, right? And here is a kind of protection only. We got here the battery, yeah, and down here over there is our controller. Yeah. we can turn on here on display. You show the display, Yeah, we can see how many volts there are on the battery. Yeah, and here we make it work, right? So I'm gonna show you. It's pretty. It's not so strong, but it's pretty cool. I mean. And if you don't wanna drive with your motor, you can do it too. It's not a problem. Back and forward. Yeah, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. And if you got some questions, just write it down below.